That's my boy. Where'd you get this? My car. All right, welcome back, guys. I'm sorry we haven't made a video in a while, but we've been extremely busy with a lot of new projects, a lot of renovations over here. Let's start off with something that's been highly awaited for. Tesla Model 3. We're doing a basic and simple but quality audio system with a little bit of a custom touch in the trunk. Let's show you. To start off with the system, first we need to grab our 12-volt source. Since this is a full electric car, there's always an auxiliary battery on the Model 3s, which are all the way in the front. 8-inch door speaker, factory upgrade. Upgraded Bonneville Labs tweeters. Here's the progress in the trunk so far. Here we are in the process of building a full complete enclosure that's in the actual cavity of the Tesla Model 3 trunk. We're building a full-on trim plate with a plaque and LED lighting.
Are you ready to feel the bass?
We've got this beautiful 8-channel DSP amplifier, which is going to be powering these beautiful 8-inch mid-bass Blam audio, the 3-inch mid-range, and 1-inch tweeters. So I'm gonna give you guys a good spot to mount one of these guys right here. If you take a look right here, we've got a compartment. So once you lift up the carpet for the Tesla, we've got a compartment right under the center console area. You can actually just stick this amp, once you got it in, right here. Here's one of the biggest tips for these Model 3s. If you do not have the amplified system, the premium amplified system, which this one does not. If you did have the premium amplified system, you would have it actually in the trunk. Now here's where you would actually get all of your speaker outputs, because obviously this is just a display. It has no radio power and everything, but there is an actual brain for it. Now let me show you the brain and where the speaker outputs are. As you can see, guys, right here, under the glove box, take a look, you'll see this large silver brain. It is the main hub for the stereo system. And take a look right here. This plug, this is all the speaker out leads. And it plugs right there onto the side. Onto that white plug right there, right into the side of the brain. All right, time to start tuning.
Lights, camera.
All right, go. Okay, if I haven't had enough lighting yet. All right, guys, the Tesla was a big hit. A lighting hit, a sound hit, whatever hit you like, it's done. The good news is it's completed, and it was a big, nice gift for the owner of the club. We've got, let's show you, our good old pal. His name is Del here. He runs Unique Visions, which is now being called Motive. You got anything you guys need, try to apply for the club. We're gonna tag them down below. But overall, a great build at the end of the day. And you know, when you guys are ready, come get yours.